How does it feel to feel nothing at all? I wonder. I imagine it's great, like the world suddenly lost its color. But I'd be lying if I said I hadn't wished to feel nothing at times, to feel nothing. 'Cause feelings are painful and I don't wanna suffer through all those moments without you. When I lost you, anger and sadness, they're always there, they're always pretty rough to cope with. Oh, feelings, you tear me apart and I wish I could start again. But I know that there's the other side, the one that I can't see right now, but I'll find it. And when I do, I'll be so better for the rest, so much better in my chest. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? And when you do, you'll be so happy that you felt, so happy that you dealt with it. Yeah, you dealt with it. Feelings, oh feelings, you tear me apart and I wish I could start again. The other side, the one that I can't see right now, but I'll find it.
乌龙，这是很大的乌龙。You are a promise. You are a song. Smooth like a waterfall. I see in the cold. You are the summer. You are the sun. You are the desert plain where the wild horses around. I want you to know you're the first of.
就能明白他们并非可有可无，也不会对他们不闻不问，因为情绪正是自我的核心。
我放假在家，每次穿袜子的时候都是找到两边不一样。今天海南特别冷，最近这几天一直在下毛毛雨。
How does it feel to feel nothing at all? I wonder.
今天有点冷儿。
大家看一下9分之几。
这个看一下，然后就睡觉了，可能会玩手机，有可能会睡觉，不好说。我今天吃了夜宵了，现在都没在叫，但是我真的不饿呀，但是他还是在叫呀，好奇怪呀，哼，哎呀，最近吃的可胖了，这个糟老头子坏得很，还有我好久没有剪视频了，我好懒呢，我为什么变得那么懒？那现在就晚安吧，拜拜。现在我已经关灯了，但是每天都要睡觉。 觉的时候。